Previously, river sand was widely used for construction purposes. Nowadays, in many places, it is replaced by crushed sand. Both crushed sand and river sand has its strength and limitations. In this video, we will see differences between crushed sand and river sand. So, without further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to Nilshri-World of Civil Engineering. Crushed sand is also known as manufactured sand or manufactured fine aggregate, whereas river sand is also known as natural sand. Source of crushed sand is quarry, in which rocks, quarry stones and large aggregate pieces are crushed into sand-sized particles, whereas river sand is naturally available and is excavated from river beds or river banks by digging. Wastage. In crushed sand there is no wastage as it is already sieved in required size, that is below 4.75 mm, whereas in river sand wastage is more as sieving has to be carried out on site. Setting time. The concrete prepared by using crushed sand has comparatively faster setting time, whereas concrete prepared by using river sand has normal setting time. Shape. The shape of crushed sand is cubical and angular and has rough texture. Due to this nature of crushed sand, it requires more water during concrete preparation compared to river sand, whereas shape of river sand is spherical and has smooth texture, hence requires less water during concrete preparation compared to crushed sand. Silt content. Crushed sand does not contain silt as it is manufactured by crushing aggregate, whereas river sand contains silt. It is mainly due to erosion of soil in its catchment area. River sand is required to be washed at site. Moisture content. Crushed sand does not contain any moisture, whereas in case of river sand, moisture is generally present in between the particles. Hence, it affects the assumptions of concrete mix design and quality of concrete. Compressive strength and flexural strength. The compressive strength as well as flexural strength of concrete made by crushed sand is higher in comparison with concrete of river sand, whereas compressive strength and flexural strength of concrete made from river sand is lower than crushed sand. Workability. Workability of concrete manufactured by using crushed sand is lesser than that of concrete manufactured by using river sand, whereas workability of concrete manufactured by using river sand is more than that of concrete manufactured by using crushed sand. Permeability. When crushed sand is used for preparing concrete, the permeability of concrete is very poor as compared to river sand, whereas when river sand is used for preparing concrete, the permeability of concrete is less poor as compared to crushed sand. Oversized material. Crushed sand is artificially manufactured, so there is no oversized material, whereas oversized material is expected in river sand and needs screening on site. Water absorption. Water absorption of crushed sand is 2 to 4%, whereas water absorption of river sand is 1.5 to 3%. Slump of crushed sand is less as compared to river sand, whereas slump of river sand is more as compared to crushed sand. Marine products. Crushed sand does not contain any marine products, whereas river sand may contain marine products such as grass, algae, clay, lumps, bones, shells, mica, etc., which are harmful to properties of concrete. Bulk density. Bulk density of crushed sand is 1.75 grams per centimeter cube, whereas bulk density of river sand is 1.44 grams per centimeter cube. Specific gravity. Specific gravity of crushed sand is 2.5 to 2.9 and it depends on the parent rock from which crushed sand is prepared, whereas specific gravity of river sand is 2.3 to 2.7 and it depends on rock in catchment area. Ability to hold surface moisture. The ability to hold surface moisture of crushed sand is up to 10%, whereas ability to hold surface moisture of river sand is up to 7%. Harmful to the environment. Crushed sand causes less harmful to the environment as compared to river sand, whereas extracting river sand from river is harmful to environment. It reduces the groundwater level and river water get dried up. Water table level get reduced due to digging of sand from river, and the roots of trees will not be able to get water. In the absence of sand in the river, water get evaporated due to direct sun exposure. Quality. Crushed sand has better quality than river sand as it is manufactured in controlled environment, whereas quality of river sand differs. Availability. Crushed sand can be produced in area closer to the construction sites, bringing down the cost of transportation and providing assurance of consistent supply. In case of river sand, this facility is not available. Applications. Crushed sand is highly recommended for RCC, brickwork and block work, whereas river sand is recommended for RCC, plastering, brickwork and block work. Cost. Crushed sand is cheaper than river sand, whereas river sand is costly than crushed sand. It is recommended to use crushed sand as it is economical and ecological alternative to natural sand. Crushed sand can be used in constructions of all items except plasterwork and waterproofing work. So I have tried to explain differences between crushed sand and river sand. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and share with one who is in need of it. For more such videos, just click on subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you won't miss any new video. Finally, thanks for watching.